Have you ever looked at your phone and realized you don't really have anyone to call? You may have hundreds of followers, acquaintances, and people you know. But when something important happens, there's no one you genuinely want to talk to. And that's an important distinction. Being surrounded by people isn't the same as feeling connected. You can talk to 20 people every week and still have zero close friends. Close friendships usually aren't created in one amazing conversation. They grow through repeated ordinary interactions. You talk, then you talk again. Eventually, conversations become inside jokes, and inside jokes become memories. But sometimes, the problem isn't meeting people. It's that you never let the relationship become deeper. Someone asks, "How are you?" And you automatically say, "I'm good," even when you're not. Friendship requires small amounts of vulnerability. Not telling someone your deepest secret on day one, just letting someone see a little more of the real you. Another pattern quietly destroys friendships. Waiting. Waiting for someone else to text first. Waiting for someone else to invite you. But they might be waiting too. Sometimes two people could become close friends, but both are afraid to make the first move. Maybe you've learned to avoid rejection before rejection can even happen. You finally invite someone somewhere. They say they're busy, and your brain immediately says they don't like me, so next time you don't ask. And slowly, avoidance starts protecting itself. Then there's another possibility. You're extremely independent. You solve everything yourself. You don't ask for help. You don't want to bother anyone. But friendship isn't only about helping someone. It's also about allowing someone to matter. So what do you actually do? Start smaller than you think. One conversation, one invitation, one honest sentence, and then show up again. Because close friendship isn't something that suddenly happens. It's something two people slowly build, one ordinary moment at a time. Maybe you don't need more people. Maybe you just need to let the right people get closer.